Hey everyone, just a quick overview of what you're doing in class today. Today in class, you're going to be completing Artifact 1 and 2 for the project. Artifact 1 and 2 today is a bit of research, and then it's an orthographic projection drawing. So the first thing you'll want to do, if you haven't done it yet, is you're going to want to watch this Aerodynamics of Speed video, 17 minutes long, and it's going to talk to you about how to design a car that is fast. After that, you're going to want to watch these 3 videos of how to make a balsa car from start to finish. This is another teacher who did it, and it's a great walkthrough. Do you have to do it exactly this way? No, but you do need to watch all 4 of these videos. Now, all 4 of these videos constitute your first part of Artifact 1. There are many parts, and that is where you're going to create a works cited citing all of those videos. Next, you're going to have to find 3 objects in nature that are fast. You're going to have to not just find them, but you're going to have to understand what makes them fast based on their shape and how they achieve that speed. Now, remember, these cars are effectively gliders. They are powered only for a short amount of a quick burst of speed, and then they glide. So we're not looking for things that require constant inputs of power, but rather things that are able to glide with almost no effort. You're going to have to find 3 of those things: bird, fish, snake, reptile. No machines, no man-made objects, please. And then you're going to need to explain, based on your research, what you have found so that you can incorporate it. Please take a moment to read this. Pause the video, read it, and you'll see how that this peregrine falcon in its dive really helps us create something that's fast. Okay, so that's the second part of Artifact 1 that you're going to be doing. Artifact 2 is going to be your orthographic projection drawing of the car, and you're going to need to do an orthographic projection drawing of the car that keeps the following in mind. You need to go over here to the go, no go, and you need to look at this red box. If your car falls outside of any of these measurements, your project is a failure because it cannot be launched. I will not launch a car that falls outside of these criteria because it is potentially unsafe or it will not work in my launching machine. If you need to, for example, look at the size of the wheels and the size of the axles so you can determine where the distance of the bottom of the CO2 chamber is to the bottom of the wheels. So you're going to have to take the diameter of the wheel and add that to your axle location, blah, blah, blah. Those materials will be available at the front desk for you to review. Remember, you're going to have to create an orthographic projection drawing that is either at the 1-to-1 model or at the half-size model. You can do any size you want, but I would say 1-to-1 meaning life size or 50-to-1 meaning half size would be the best idea. I need a front, a side, and a top view of your car. Front, side, and top view of your car, please. Actually, no, forget that. I need a top view and a side view only. And let's all just say 1-to-1. Sorry, you get to hear Mr. Schroeder think out loud. So it's going to be a 1-to-1 size of your car, a 1-to-1 size. Do not do it half size. Do it 1-to-1, okay? When you design your car on that, you're going to add that to your Artifact 2. You probably will not get that far today. If you do, you're going to add that to your Artifact 2, and then you're going to use that to help you cut your car out. So again, as a summary, today we are going to watch all 4 of the videos, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will create a Artifact 1 works cited right here, as you have done in the past. Then you're going to do your research, find those fast things, research what makes them fast, what makes them effective at keeping speed. Then you're going to add that information here. That completes Artifact 1. And then if you don't really remember how to do orthographic drawing, you can rewatch this tutorial. Then I need you to draw an orthographic projection drawing of your car following exactly these sizes. And yes, you can use graph paper taped together if you need it, and you're going to do that and submit that to Artifact 2. That'll be enough for the day. I doubt you'll get through all of that. So good luck, have fun.